guys, and welcome to this week's video. Today, as you guys can see, I'm doing something a little bit different. So for the last few videos, I think I've been doing a lot of hauls and a lot of like clothing videos. So I haven't done a vlog in a really long time. So that is what we're going to be doing. Not necessarily like vlog, but it's vlog style. But I'm just going to take you guys to prep for Valentine's Day with me. Valentine's Day is tomorrow, which I'm super excited about. I think Valentine's Day is honestly one of my like favorite days of the year. I just love the hearts and all the like love and everything. So I'm really excited. Me and my boyfriend are doing something for it tomorrow evening. I do have school in the morning, which is annoying, but I'm gonna see him in the afternoon / evening. And we're just going to basically like recreate a Valentine's Day we had 2 years ago. And I'm super excited. So I just have to get some things for that later today. Basically like 2 years ago, I planned this like whole thing for us. I did like a dinner setup. I cooked us dinner and I set up like a little like movie night for us, and it was really cute, and I had little like rose petals everywhere and everything like that. So we kind of decided that this year we want to like do the same type of thing. So we're gonna do that, except this year we are getting takeout from like a restaurant just because I am at school and he's working, so we don't have time to like cook throughout the day. But I'm just gonna go out later, get some snacks and treats and stuff, and a couple decorations. I'm gonna take you guys with me to do that. Very exciting. But first, I do have an assignment to do tomorrow, which is Valentine's Day, which is very exciting. I mean, annoying, not exciting. Definitely not exciting. It's very annoying. But I'm just gonna try to hand it in tonight to get it out of the way. So I'm gonna work on that really quickly, and then we're gonna go out and get some stuff done. I have to pick up, like I said, some groceries. And then I have to come back here and make some like desserts and stuff. But yeah, I'm super excited. I also picked up a couple of things for Adam, which I'll show you guys. And I'm gonna put together a little like cute Valentine's Day basket for him. And I'm really excited. So I'll show you guys that stuff. The stuff I already got. And then I need to go. Part of the like one place I need to go later is to the dollar store. I'm gonna get like a little basket to put his stuff in. Don't mind the clothes back there. I am rearranging my drawers at the moment, and I did a lot of laundry, so I like have to put all that stuff away. But anyways, and the stuff right there is in a laundry basket to do laundry. I am way behind on everything because of school. This week is also midterms. They put midterms on Valentine's Day week, which is very annoying. But anyways, so yeah, that's partly something that I have to do. So yesterday I just picked this up on the way home from school for him. We didn't agree to do gifts. We usually don't do gifts for Valentine's Day, but I don't know. I just felt I just like doing gifts. So I was like, I'm just gonna get him something. I don't really care. So I got him one of the 5-minute journals. He's also been having a little bit of a rough time lately, so I wanted to do something nice for him. So I think I have one of these, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I was posting it like a long time ago. I was doing it almost every day, and I feel like it really helped me, and some people even responded to my stories while I was doing it and said like, oh, it really helps seeing you do this and like motivates me to do it. So that made me feel really nice. And then since he's been having a little bit of a hard time, I thought I would get him this to help out with his like morning routine and everything. So yeah, it's just the 5-minute journal. I'm sure you guys know what that is already. And then I got him this cute little lint like heart thing with chocolates in it, and I got him a cute little teddy bear, like chocolate teddy bear, because I just thought it was super cute. So yeah, that's what's going into his gift. And then I'm also making him like a handmade card. So I'm gonna add that into it, but I want to make it like into a cute little basket. So I'm gonna go to the dollar store later, get some decorations and candy and stuff, and the basket, and put it in there. We need to go to a couple different stores. Also guys, I'm wearing the strawberry milkshake defined jacket. This is the cropped version. This is my first day wearing it, and it is so cute. I just feel like it's super like Valentine's Day. And I've been wearing pink like this whole week for Valentine's Day, just to be in the spirit, you know, and I just love it. I think it's so cute. I don't have any of the crop jackets. This is my first like crop defined jacket, because I usually get the full length defined jackets, but I actually really like the cropped one. I think it might fit my body type better. I don't know, let me know what you guys think, but I think it's super cute, and the strawberry milkshake is just like the most perfect pink. But yeah, so basically I'm very much in the Valentine's Day spirit, wearing my pink, and my little Tiffany's necklace has a heart. And what else? My Pandora bracelet has like hearts on it. This one my boyfriend got me. It's a little heart with an infinity symbol in it. Super cute. I have like so many heart symbols actually on my Pandora bracelet. I have like 2 just there. But anyways, yeah. And then also I did my nails with little Valentine's hearts on them. They're so cute. They're just like French tips with like the tiniest little hearts. I don't know if you guys can even see, but they're just really cute. It's really subtle, but anyways, yeah, I'm fully leaning into this like Valentine's Day thing, and my Starbucks cup that I drink water out of is pink too. Just all the pink and red and like heart stuff. I always get so sad when Valentine's Day is over because I love like the whole heart like aesthetics and stuff. Like I don't know, I think it's really cute. So anyways, I'm gonna enjoy this while I can, but first I have to do my assignment. I'm gonna try to do that really quick, like bang that out, and then whenever I'm done that, I'm just gonna go to the store and pick up my stuff, and I will take you guys with me.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my.
Hi friends. We're at Ikea shopping for some things. I'm trying to convince her that my style for our future house is better than hers.
No.
It's not working, but we're gonna continue to try.
We agree on, we like some things the same.
Some things. You've said no to every single one of my things. You know what, this is why I'm done with this. Don't make videos while I'm in the shower.
Wait, where are you?
Don't make videos while I'm in the shower.
Okay. So anyways, we came to Ikea. It's snowing really badly outside, but we came because I need some things for my room because I'm moving some things around, and there's like nobody here, so that's great. It makes it easier for me to film. But yeah, we basically have this. Hey, welcome to.
Today, would you like cake?
I want these little tart thingies.
No, those are wrong. You would like.
Oh. Okay.
Alright, let me put it in here. You owe me your number.
Is there actually? Oh. We literally have this whole section to ourselves. There's like nobody here, which is great. Everything's empty. So that's a nice kitchen. Do you like that one?
Which one?
The one right in front of you. Right there. Right there.
These shoes are ugly as shit. But mine would be better.
Those look really big for you, I think.
You know what? Just ugly as hell.
Oh.
You don't forget it. We're switching it. You can get that one side. I can get these two.
No, this side is my side.
No.
Yes, it has all the perfect spaces for my shoes and accessories and stuff and bags.
No.
Yes. So anyways, we found this beautiful closet. This is all for me, this section. And then this is the Adam section. But he's not happy with it. Where'd you go? Oh, hello?
Boom.
Okay. I'm hiding. Okay, my turn. Oh, I can't see you. That's really cute. It's almost the size of you.
Call me short.
No. Will you buy this phone? Can you buy this phone? It's a pink bunny in an astronaut outfit.
Of course.
Cute.
Of course. Would it make you smile? Happy wife, happy life. Okay, you can.
Exactly. Except we're not married yet.
Yes.
Yet. I'm just waiting on my ring pop. And then we can get married. Stop it! Do you mind?
Baby, a soccer ball. Don't.
You made me drop my orange juice.
I got it. Oh, ow. You just hit me with the bunny. You know what, cousin?
No, I
You're
didn't.
not getting it. Go put it away and you're grounded.
They have a whole bundle of them. Stop. Oh my god, you can zip it.
Yeah.
That's so funny. I missed it.
This is what you need sometimes. Just
You talk more than I do.
zip it.
You talk more than I do.
No.
Yes, you do. You talk all you talk. And not, oh, that's so cute. Oh,
Because I have intelligente things to say.
they're gonna eat me. You have, so what, I have dumb things to say?
I never said that. I just said I have intelligente things to say.
Well, I
What?
go to school.
That's beautiful, Katie.
Yes, it is. I can show you the world. You don't want the world? I'll give it to you. I'll give you the world. I'll give you the world. You're welcome. It's so perfect. It comes with a little purse holder. How nice of them.
Oh.
No, don't. Not my gummy bear. Did you see my gummy bear? I know, right? And it's pink. Okay, guys, so we're in the big like area downstairs now, the warehouse area, and I think we got everything we need except this cart likes to keep going sideways. So now we're just heading it to the checkout. We're gonna get everything we need, or we're gonna buy everything now. Maybe we'll get some ice cream. Alright guys, so I am home. It's been a few days. I feel like this vlog is completely all over the place, to be honest. I don't know why, but that's just how it is. So it's gonna be like a collective vlog over a few days. So we had Valentine's Day, and then the next day we went to Ikea, me and Adam, and then it's now like 3 days later, to be honest. Sorry. I've been like vlogging within vlogs, if that makes sense. So I might like move on from something, but then I'll like continue that vlog another time, if that makes sense. But anyways, I am home now, and I did get some things from Ikea, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and I'm actually gonna build some of my stuff today to like get it up and going in my room, which I'm very excited about. I already put the big mirror up. It is so huge and it looks so good. There we are. But yeah, so I absolutely love this mirror. My shirt just made a weird sound. Anyways, I absolutely love this mirror. It's like the perfect mirror. And then I did just get the nightstand or a nightstand, and I got like the lack shelves, which are like the floating shelves, but they're connected through the back. So I'm gonna put those up, which I'm very excited about. I'm gonna build those now, and I don't know how long it's gonna take. Hopefully not too long, but yeah.
And I play dead and I stay dead. Baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like
Alright guys, so I've finished building my stuff. So these are the two things I put together. This is the lack shelf, and then this is the little dresser here. The dresser is shorter than I thought it would be, but oh, it's just like the extra pieces. The dresser is shorter than I thought it would be, but I'm gonna get a new bed actually, and then it should fit actually pretty perfect, so that's good. And then this is the lack shelves. They look really nice. I actually already put my stuff on it, but I just love how it looks. So I got my Prada bag up there, my little perfume boxes, and then I have my actual perfumes. And look how cute these little tiny like sampler perfumes are. They're so cute. Then I have my jewelry here. I put my like stuff here to just like grab and go, which was like the whole point of getting this shelf, was so I had a little like grab and go station, so that when I'm leaving my room, like everything I need is here before I'm leaving my room, which is my perfumes, my jewelry, and my like my keys, AirPods, like that kind of stuff. And then I have these cute little books here and these little like decor down here. So yeah, I think it turned out really good. I really love it. Alright guys, so that is going to be all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Sorry, it was kind of like all over the place. I didn't really plan it out. I just kind of picked up the camera and started filming. But I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm kind of trying to start doing different like types of videos again. So let me know if you guys have any like requests. Wow, my hair's a mess. Anyways, but yeah, if you did like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.